guys, welcome back to another video. I'm with Gursh today, who you may know if you watch the weekly. Insert Gursh. I'm at his latest flip, which is his second time on the channel now. If you want to see his first one, have a look up here, click the link, see what he did with that one. This one, he's made massive improvements on the renovation, he's telling me. So let's go inside and see if he smashed it. So, before I take you around the house, we're going to have a quick chat with Gursh, talk about a few things, maybe a few lessons he's learned, and some of the ideas he's implemented in this house, and then I'll take you around and show you the end products. So here we are, here's Gursh. If you watch the weekly and you watch this channel, you've probably seen him 100 times, and this is his second house, his second flip that's come on the channel. Great house. You happy with the finish?
Yeah.
Happy it's sold as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so your first flip was brilliant. The profit was amazing.
Yeah.
But the finish was okay.
Yeah, definitely.
So what have you taken from that one into this one and, you know, made it better?
So I think when you come down in the first flip, I did say that I want to improve on the finish. And I think that's what I did. I implemented everything you are doing in your current projects and what you advised me. And I made sure this house is the best on the street.
Yeah, it is the best house on the street.
Yeah.
That's guaranteed.
Yeah.
And how many houses are on this street? Because it's a big ass street, isn't it?
Probably 100 or plus.
Yeah, this is a big street, but it is definitely the best house on the street. From the outside, it's definitely the best house on the street, and the inside, it's the best house on the street. Any difficulties? Anything that you've struggled with?
Yeah, I think at the start when tradesmen come in, because I'm young, they try to take the piss a bit with prices. They try to overcharge you. They think you don't know it, or so they do try it. I think you just got to handle it, even with prices. Everything's going up, but you just got to deal with it at the end of the day.
Yeah.
You got to account for extra for the refurbs. You got to account extra for how long it's going to take. And
contingencies always matter, don't they? So, like you said, contingency in the refurb, contingency on timescales, even the sales process. Now you've sold this property, that could take a little bit longer than what you wanted.
Of course.
One thing I do know, which I wanted to tell these guys about, you bought this property before you actually had the money for it, didn't you?
Yeah, so when I bought this property, when I agreed to sell for this property, I'll be honest, I didn't really have any money because all my money was tied up in my first property, and I was relying on the sale on that property to buy this. The agent didn't really know, I'll be honest, but having a good solicitor, obviously, solicitors that we use and you recommended, they helped the process and made it smooth.
That's good. Guys, if you do need a solicitor, we have the best solicitor, not just, in my opinion, in probably 50, 60 members of the circle who have used them now. So if you do need someone, contact us. But right now, I'm going to take a look around this house and I want to show you the garden. The before and after the garden is absolutely incredible. So come with me and let's see. So from the last one that he did, I told him to do a lot of different things because I felt that he didn't really maximise the potential in the last one. I think because it was his first flip, he rushed it. He did absolutely sensational with the money. The area that the house is will always rent, so investors will always buy them. But in this one now, let's take a look. So, the doors. These are doors that I recommended that he used throughout the whole house. Now, he didn't want to buy them at first when he knew what the cost of them was. It worked out and he's very happy. He didn't sink the pipes into the walls on the radiators. Now, it's not a huge thing, but I think it looks better when they are in. I don't like them out, you know that if you've watched the channel. Skirting board, he used really nice skirting from Howden's. He had brand new windows fitted, brand new doors fitted, all important spotlights, guys. He put them in, he listened. Let's go through into the second room. Second room, exactly the same, really nice doors, skirting's lovely. He went for the high-end flooring as well, which was something that we discussed. Love the flooring. He also went for the chrome switches for the finish, which I like as well. Only thing he didn't do, guys, look. Never remove the chimney breast. Let's go into the kitchen. Kitchen is really, really nice. He went for, do you know what? I don't even know what colour this is. It's like an off-white with some grains in it, but it is nice. It does work. The worktops, I'm not 100% sure on them. I don't like them personally. And when they was fitted, Gursh said, I wish I'd have gone for a wood finish. Spotlights inside again. Also, guys, he got that for me and Isabella, which was a nice touch. I really appreciate that. Let's go and look at the bathroom. Lovely bathroom, he's done it nice. I like the black finishes on the shower and the black radiator. One thing I don't like in here is the cladding on the ceiling, which I'm not sure Gursh likes either, to be completely honest. I'm going to ask him, but all in all, a great finish. So we're back to talk about the all-important numbers, but first I want to clear something up. The garden.
Yeah.
How much did this garden cost?
£3,000.
Explain to these people how you got this whole garden done like this for £3,000.
I helped out, my old man helped out, my friends helped out, and we tried to get everything to the, like even with stuff like the turf and the slabs, we shopped around and we got favours done, to be fair, and then yeah, stripped it out ourselves. And
you actually used your car, didn't you?
Yeah,
to get rid of stuff?
yeah. So yeah, save costs and skips and stuff.
Yeah,
so,
he actually used his car going to the tip, backwards and forwards.
I didn't plan to obviously spend this much money in the garden.
I know you didn't. So our conversation
and to be fair, the people that landscapers were quoting me £7-8 grand.
Yeah, it's expensive gardens.
Yeah.
Gardens are very expensive.
I underestimated it.
Yeah, but £3,000 is amazing, and the finish is absolutely incredible.
Start it up.
Tell everybody the numbers. So your first flip, you made what, 40,000. So what was the purchase price of this house?
82,500.
Okay, so about 86, 87, all in with legals and stamp.
87 bang on.
Okay, 87,000 all in with legals and stamp duty. What's the renovation cost you?
28.
28,000, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're on about what, 116?
115. 115, and then obviously you got estate agent selling fees.
Yeah.
Solicitor selling fees.
So was it 116 with all your utilities as well, though?
Yeah, no, it's 119.
Yeah.
Just under 119, including utilities, the energy bills, council tax, my selling fees. Yeah. And my selling solicitor fees as well.
Okay, so we're on 119,000.
All in, just under, just all in.
Okay, so let's just say 119. So it's not to the exact penny, but we are there. £119,000.
Yeah.
What did you sell it for?
155.
I'm smiling because it's incredible. It's a £36,000 profit.
Yeah.
£36,000. Obviously, you've got your corporation tax to pay on that, and I'm smiling because if we can get the clip, I don't know whether Dooney can get the clip. Do you remember when we visited this property?
100%.
What figure did I say?
You said 150.
This house, I guarantee, he's behind the camera smiling, will break the ceiling price on this street. I guarantee. What's the highest price on this street, Gursh?
1225.
You're going to smash that by...
I still need to work though.
Yeah, but you're going to smash that by 25 grand minimum. What was the agents telling you? The local agents?
All say 135, 140. What, like, people are saying you're pushing 135. When I bought it anyways, but I knew in my head I was going to buy it, it's cheap.
Yeah. And
I actually got this property not on Rightmove, it's on the market as well.
So he didn't use Rightmove, he used on the market, but he smashed it absolutely out the park, £36,000 profit, and you listened to a lot of stuff I actually said.
Yeah.
And I didn't just say it just to be spiteful or mean.
No, definitely.
I was saying to you, so you improve.
No, I'm glad you did, because without implementing what you told me, I wouldn't have broke the ceiling price.
You didn't just break it.
Yeah.
What was the ceiling price around here?
So the last house that sold was 3 doors down. It's not registered on land registry yet, but it's sold for 120.
so you done £35,000 more, and it's practically the same house.
Exactly the same.
It's amazing, but this is what happens when you surround yourself with the right people. You listen as well, you pay attention, and you do the right thing. And Gursh certainly did the right thing here, and he made £36,000, which is incredible. So I'm very happy, and he's a big part of everything we do anyway. So it's not like you're not going to see him, because the next flip he's doing is with me and Isabella, which is a huge flip. Double story extension. Oh, it's crazy. We will go through it. You'll see it all on the channel, but we're doing it together, and it's only down the road. And I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. Maybe we can get the garden done for £2,000 if Gursh pulls his fingers out. But yeah, well done, mate. Very proud of it. have it, guys. Another video with Gursh. Second flip he's ever done. £36,000 profit. He's implemented a lot of things that I told him to implement from his last flip, and the finish on this is 100% better than the finish on his last one. So who you surround yourself with and the advice that you take from the right people, you get results like this. I'm going home. I will see you all soon. Bye.